Your handshake feels weaker than last year, and opening pickle jars now requires using tools or asking for help. Your fingers struggle to maintain their grip on coffee cups, and you notice items slipping from your hands more frequently. Your hand strength seems to fade gradually each month, and simple daily tasks become increasingly challenging to complete independently. Your declining grip strength signals deeper health changes that could dramatically affect your mobility and cardiovascular survival after age 60. Your grip strength right now predicts whether you will maintain independence or require assistance within the next 5 years. A weakening handshake indicates cardiovascular decline and fall risk that doctors rarely explain during routine checkups and examinations. Your grip strength declines by 30% between ages 60 and 70, but targeted training reverses this loss completely. Today, I share an evidence-based 10-minute daily protocol with specific exercises that you can start immediately in your own home.
This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice from your doctor. Grip strength depends on the integrity of muscles spanning the hand, wrist, forearm, and upper arm. Neural drive, the efficiency of the nervous system, signaling muscles to contract, also declines with age. Both muscle mass and neural drive respond positively to resistance training even well into the 8th decade. A 2019 review in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirmed grip training improves strength in older adults. The key is progressive overload, gradually increasing resistance to continuously challenge the neuromuscular system.
Number 2. Why grip strength responds well to training even after 60. The neuromuscular system remains highly trainable after 60 grand, and grip muscles have exceptional recovery potential.
Skeletal muscle retains its capacity for hypertrophy growth throughout the human lifespan with adequate stimulus. Hand and forearm muscles are rich in fast-twitch type I fibers, highly responsive to resistance training. A 2000 experimental gerontology study showed grip training increased hand strength by 22% in older adults. Neural adaptations occur in the first 2 to 3 weeks. Strength gains appear before visible muscle growth. This means strength gains begin almost immediately, which is both motivating and clinically meaningful for at-risk individuals. Eccentric training, the controlled release phase of a grip, is particularly effective for building tendon and muscle strength. Lateral training, working both hands simultaneously, produces cross-education effects, improving the untrained hand as well. Blood flow restriction training, wrapping the forearm lightly during low-resistance exercise, amplifies adaptation with minimal joint stress. People with arthritis can achieve meaningful grip strength gains through modified range of motion training with proper guidance. Consistency over intensity is the governing principle. Daily low to moderate effort outperforms infrequent maximal exertion.
Number 1. The 10-minute daily protocol to rebuild grip strength starting this week. This structured daily routine requires minimal equipment and produces measurable results within 6 weeks.
Begin with a warm-up. Open and close hands 10 times, then circle wrists in both directions. Use a spring grip strengthener. Set to a resistance you can close fully for 10 repetitions with mild effort. Perform 3 sets of 10 slow squeezes on each hand, holding each contraction for 3 seconds before releasing. Follow immediately with finger extension, using a thick rubber band looped around all 5 fingers, 15 repetitions per hand. Extension training is critical. Most people only train flexion, creating muscle imbalance that increases injury risk. Use a soft stress ball or therapy putty for 2 minutes of pinch, strengthening thumb to each finger individually. Dead hangs from a pull-up bar for 10 to 20 seconds are the most comprehensive grip stimulus available. Increase resistance on the spring gripper by 1 level every 2 weeks to maintain progressive overload throughout training. Track your dynamometer score monthly. Consistent training should show 9 to 18 pound improvement within 12 weeks. 10 minutes each morning before breakfast builds this habit efficiently and captures morning neuromuscular peak performance.
By the way, I covered other crucial details on this topic in my full video. The link is on the channel. If this helped you, subscribe, leave a like, and drop your question in the comments below.